Welcome to your Credit Toolbox's secured card presentation. Today, we're diving into secured credit cards, what they are, how they can help you build or rebuild credit, and essential tips to maximize their benefits. By the end of this video, you'll also learn how to apply for a secured card through your Credit Toolbox and take the first step toward a stronger financial future. What is a secured credit card? If you've ever been refused a credit card in the past, a secured credit card might be the perfect solution for you. Designed for individuals who are new to credit or working on rebuilding their credit history, secured cards offer access to a credit line while requiring a cash deposit as collateral. This deposit serves as security for the bank and typically ranges from $200 to $2,500. Unlike unsecured credit cards, secured cards require upfront funding, but they function just like a regular credit card. The best part? Your payments are reported to major credit bureaus, helping you establish a positive credit history as long as you use it responsibly, understanding fees and interest rates. While secured cards can be a powerful tool for credit improvement, they often come with annual fees, higher interest rates compared to unsecured cards, and potential additional fees depending on the terms of the bank. This is the trade-off for building or improving your credit. But when used wisely, a secured credit card can open the door to better financial opportunities. What do you need to qualify? Every bank has its own requirements, but here are some common qualifications. Ability to make at least minimum payments, monthly income greater than expenses, a checking account recommended for easy payments. No active bankruptcy must be discharged if applicable. Valid identification and address verification. Unlike traditional credit cards, most secured card issuers do not require a credit check, meaning you can get approved even with bad credit or no credit history. How to apply for a secured card at your Credit Toolbox. Applying for a secured card is simple and takes about 15 minutes. Follow these steps. Go to your credittoolbox.com secured cards. Have your personal information handy, ID, social security number, etc. Read the terms and conditions carefully, understand the fees and interest rates. Ensure the card reports to major credit bureaus essential for credit building. Be ready to fund your card bank account info required for deposit. Submit your application and wait for approval. Once approved, your secured card will arrive in the mail soon. That's the easy part. Now it's time to use it wisely. How to use your secured card responsibly. Owning a secured credit card is a great opportunity to prove financial responsibility to lenders. Here's how to make the most of it. Never miss a payment on time. Payments are key to building credit. Pay your balance in full whenever possible to avoid high interest charges. Keep your utilization low. Never exceed 10-25% of your credit limit. Use the card regularly, but for small, manageable purchases. Monitor your credit score to track progress and ensure positive growth. How long should you keep a secured card? Many people wonder, when should I close my secured card? The best approach is to keep it as long as possible, or at least until you qualify for an unsecured credit card with a higher limit and lower interest rates. Closing your secured card too soon can lower your available credit, negatively affecting your credit utilization ratio, a key factor in your credit score. In some cases, banks may upgrade your secured card to an unsecured card, allowing you to retain the account age and improve your credit history. What if you're declined for a secured card? While most secured card applications get approved, there's still a chance you could be denied. If that happens, here are some alternatives. Become an authorized user. Ask a friend or family member to add you to their existing credit card as an authorized user. Their positive payment history can help build your credit profile. Get a co-signer. If someone with good credit is willing to co-sign on a credit account with you, this can help you qualify for better terms. Keep in mind, the co-signer is equally responsible for any debt on the account. Final thoughts. A secured credit card isn't a magic fix for your credit, but it's a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can put you on the path to a stronger financial future. By following the right strategies, paying on time, keeping utilization low, and maintaining responsible habits, you'll be well on your way to a better credit score. To apply for a secured credit card today, visit yourcredittoolbox.com secured cards. Remember, your Credit Toolbox also offers a variety of financial products, including unsecured credit cards, loans, credit monitoring services, business credit solutions, and more. Stay informed, stay responsible, and take control of your credit future. Disclosure: this video is for informational purposes only and does not guarantee credit acceptance or approval. Your Credit Toolbox is an affiliate of various banks and financial institutions and may receive compensation for referrals. Always read the terms and conditions before applying for any financial product. Thank you for watching your Credit Toolbox's secured card presentation.